Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create database and database user in Postgres. So there are multiple ways of doing that. So let's first check the first method. So for that I'll just log into Postgres shell, database shell. So let's do that by using this command sudo su -postgres. So this is the default username for the database, and now I can log into the shell by using postgresql, and this is the shell. So from here we can create the user by using this command create user and then space your username. For example, let's say my user space with password, and then type in your password in single quotes, and at the end put semicolon, press enter. So this command will create a user, which works fine. Now we also can create a database, and we will specify the owner of the database as this my user. So let's create it. Type in create database space, and for example let's say my db space with owner, and then the username will be my user space, and also it is good to specify encoding equals, and in single quotes utf-8 space, and also lc collate equals English underscore United States dot utf-8 space lc underscore c type equals in single quotes English United States dot utf-8, and then finally put semicolon, press enter, and it shows some error. So instead of capital I will use the small letters UTF, and then here also small letters UTF. Press enter, and we just created the database which is called mydb with owner my user. So we can check it by using this command to get listing /l plus, press enter, and here you can see this is the database, this is the user, this is collate, c type, encoding, which is all great. So now let's use another way. I will log out, I'll clear screen. So the second way how we can do that, we can also log in as Postgres user first, and now we can use this command from the shell directly, from the Linux shell, not from the database shell, which is called create user, and you can always check the help. There are lots of parameters for this command. So we will simply create a user, then you need to specify username, let's say my user 2, and also we will set the password for that user. So this is the option -P. It will prompt us to enter the new password for this user, and I think that's it. Okay, let's try it. So type in your password, try it again, and that's it. So this is new user, and the same way we can create the database, the database. Create db, and then let's say my db2, and then -o, capital O, my user 2. This will be the owner of the database. So this is it. Press enter, and it will create this database with this owner. So now let's log out and let's try to connect to these two databases. So I will be connecting from localhost, and then with this user, let's try first user, and then my user 1. Let's connect to my db1. Press enter the password. I just typed something wrong. Okay, I specified without one. Just my user, my DB. So I just logged in successfully. You can see it works. So I will log out, and also let's try for the second method, which we created the user and database. So I will just use my user 2, my db2, press enter the password, and that's it. I've just got to my shell, to my database 2. So this is it. Now you know how to create a database, how to create user using two different methods. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, click the like button. Bye bye.